Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about a very interesting scholarship program, that is Erasmus Mundus Scholarship Program for the year of 2023 to 2024, fully funded scholarship opportunity. So friends, if you are new in my video, watch my previous video. They will also help you in getting international scholarship, internship, exchange program and other opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start our today's journey. The application for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship 2023 to 2024 are now open across Europe for all international applicants around the world. Erasmus is a fully funded master opportunity for all. They announced application in October and will go till January 2023. Erasmus is Europe's largest fully funded scholarship program. The Erasmus Master Program will be available in 3 to 4 different universities in Europe. You will complete your degree in more than 3 European universities and you will get a combined degree. Details about Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. This scholarship is sponsored by European Union and the countries are Europe and other countries. The funding is fully funded. The course level is master degree and PhD degree. Erasmus Mundus Scholarship application deadline. So friends, the application are open in the month of October until last next year, January. And how does the Erasmus scholarship work? In this scholarship, you will study in Europe in 3 European countries at 3 universities and get a dual degree awarded by 2 European universities. Each program consists of 2 years and you will study each semester at different universities and in a different country, which will be in Europe, Australia or maybe the USA. This program also includes an internship program and that internship is a part of the scholarship and it depends on which country you can complete your research or internship program. Key points: there is no previous work experience requirement, no GRE requirement, no IELTS requirement, but if you have it will increase your chances. The duration of the scholarship is 2 years for the master degree and 3 years for a doctor degree program. The Erasmus scholarship is open to any citizen from any part of the world. Result-weighted students can also apply for this scholarship program. Financial coverage: the monthly stipend almost 1100 to 1200 euro per month, your free tuition fee, your traveling allowance, your international airfare ticket, your travel allowance from country to country when your semester will be finished, no bond restriction to return to the country, job visa granted after master or PhD, the degree to work in Europe after that degree. Available fields: there are over 100 Erasmus Mundus courses ranging from engineering, computer science, business, economics, law, humanities, social science, and health related. Required documents: the following documents are mandatory for this Mundus scholarship program: your high school transcript, your motivational letter, your passport or national ID card, your CV, your statement of financial assets, your plan of research, your application form, your recommendations letter for scholarship, your letter of intent, your study plan, and your certificate of facts. So, how to apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship program? First of all, the step one is you have to find your desired program in the catalog of Erasmus Mundus scholarship and go through each program one by one and see which program you fit in, and then contact the coordinators given on the website of the program offering the master course for more information on courses and application procedure. The step 2 is the list of the documents mentioned above are varies from course to course. The step 3 is after application submission. In case you are shortlisted after the initial screening of application, you will be informed about your online interview through email. Skype interview are the last step if you are shortlisted for it. So how to apply for this program? So visit here the official website, click on it. So my friends, this is the officially website of Erasmus Mundus Catalog. So you can apply here in your desired program. So you can also filter your university, your country and your field of study. So for example, if I am going to apply in European Master in Law, Data and Artificial Intelligence, then click on it. Project location are Ireland, France, Spain, Italy. Click on it. So friends, the European Master in Law, Data and Artificial Intelligence is an international interdisciplinary program offered by 4 partner universities. So you can read it, all the other information. Application for the 2023-2025 program will open on 1st November 2022 and will close on 20 January 2023 for scholarship students, and on 31st May 2023 fee-waiver and self-funded students can apply for this program. So how to apply? So click here, apply here. So first of all, you have to log in your account. So as I already make my account for the Dublin University, so I'm going to log in my account. So friends, this is my officially application portal for the Dublin City University. So I'm going to apply in September intake 2023 in my European Master in Law, Data and Artificial Intelligence. Click on it. So this is my online application portal. First of all, I have to put my personal information. My personal information include my title, my first name, my middle name, last name, and other my date of birth and contact details and citizenship and nationality and other additional information. After that, save and continue it. And academic level is postgraduate start program. Program choice is European Master in Law and Data and Artificial Intelligence. Program stream is Law stream data governance track. And would you like to be considered for additional programs? No. Proposed start date is September 2023. Then save and continue it. The next section is your qualification. You are most recent education institution attended university. And have you previously studied at DCU? No. Details of previous education including your higher education. Is the English language your primary language? No. So I have to submit my English exams. Please state examining body. IELTS, if you take any exams, IELTS or TOEFL or Duolingo test, you can add it here. So do your date of completion and your score in that exams. After that, save and continue it. The next section is your other information. Do you have disability or special need? No. Save and continue it. Your experience. Please provide details of your work experience including any professional or industrial experience. If you have any, then you can simply add your experience here. Your job title, your name of employer, address of employer, level of responsibility, and your referee name. And after that, you can save and continue it. The last section is your confirmation section. And where do you hear about the program you are applying for? So I hear about on social media. And yes, I agree all the terms and conditions. In the signature section, you have to write your full name here. My full name is Muhammad Akif Shizad, and your signature date. So today is 2nd November. I am making this video on 2nd November. So friends, this is the procedure. In this way you can apply for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship program that is in European University. So friends, different universities have their different deadlines, so you can apply according to your desired program and your study fields. Many universities have opened their admissions for this Mundus Scholarship program. So friends, don't waste your time, apply as soon as possible for this tremendous prestigious scholarship program. And friends, also remember me in your prayers and share this video with your family and friend circle. And also friends, for the latest update of scholarship, internship, exchange program and other opportunities, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.